Welcome to AngularJS with me, Muhammad Maruf Najm. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to sort data using AngularJS. As you see, I have created an AngularJS application called sorting on a local server of my computer. Using this application, we can sort the data displayed on the page by any of the two columns, country ID and country name. When I click on any of the two column headings, I see that the data is sorted either ascendingly or descendingly based on a previous sort order of the data by that column. If it was previously sorted ascendingly, now it is sorted descendingly, and vice versa. Now I'm going to explain the code of this application. I have created a folder called sorting for this application on the local server. Inside this folder there are several files and folders. Two of these files are discussed here, index.php and app.js. Inside the app.js file, I have created a controller called myController, and this controller is used inside the index.php file here. Inside this controller, I have created a JSON object called countries, which resembles a database table consisting of two columns, the ID and the name. I also have created a function called sort, which specifies the column based on which we want to sort the data. When this sort function is called, if the data was previously sorted ascendingly, now it is sorted descendingly. If it was sorted descendingly, now it is sorted ascendingly based on a column which comes as a parameter to this function. And also this function is called inside the index.php here when clicking on any of the column headings. Inside the index.php file, I have included the AngularJS library here. And then here I have created my column headings, which are the country ID and the country name, and called the sort function here and here. Here I have iterated over all the countries and printed their IDs and names using the ngRepeat directive of AngularJS. When we want to sort data using AngularJS, we use the order by filter of AngularJS, along with the name of the column based on which we want to sort the data. And here, the name of the column based on which we want to sort the data is the sort key, whose value changes when we click on either of the two links here. Here, I have also used the reverse variable, which identifies the sort order. I mean, if the data was sorted ascendingly or descendingly. Now, that order is specified by the reverse variable. This way, you can sort data using AngularJS. Now I go to my browser. When I click on either of the two column headings, I see that the data is sorted by that column. For example, when I click on country ID, I see that the data is sorted ascendingly. I mean, the sort order is ascending by country ID. If I click for the second time, I see that the sort order is descending based on the country ID. And likewise for the country name when we click on it.